So in this chapter we are going to cover about decision charts. Decision chart is basically, so we have a lot of cloud storage in the Google Cloud. So which one we will use? So to solve this problem, I'm going for decision tree. So if you have in your data is structured data, okay. So you keep in mind. So you need to think about your data is structure. Oh, my data is not a structure, like semi-structure or any kind of things. Okay. No, so data is not. So we will go here. Do you need mobile SDK? Okay, I don't need mobile SDK. So then we use cloud storage. Cloud storage. So if your data is unstructured, your data is unstructured, then you don't need mobile SDK. Then you go to cloud storage. If you need, yes, then Firebase storage. So basically this is used for unstructured data. Firebase, cloud storage. Firebase and cloud storage. So now if your data is structured, okay, so and you don't need it for analytics purpose, right? You just is your data is relational, you just need for storage, right? It's not analytical purpose, or you just query. So it's just query of data. Or analytics means you use some function, aggregate function, some transformations, all those things. Okay. So it's not your analytics. You don't need analytics. Okay. You don't need. Then no, we come here. Then we check is your data is relational? Is a row and column format? If yes, do you need horizontal scaling? There is vertical scaling and horizontal scaling. So horizontal scaling is the cloud spanner. If no horizontal scaling, then cloud SQL. So this is basically a relational database. For relational RDBMS, we can use cloud spanner, cloud SQL. Now the question is your data is relational? No. Do you need mobile SDK? It's the same like here. Firebase is real-time data, cloud storage. So do you need mobile SDK? Then use Firebase. No, then cloud data store, cloud data store. Okay. So it's cloud data store. So now if you need analytics, do you need update low latency? Low latency is cloud big table, and BigQuery is high latencies. They don't care. So the summarize here, we need to check the structure, and in the structure mobile SDK not. So unstructured we use Firebase storage, cloud storage. If we have structured data, then we have is analytical purpose we use cloud big table and BigQuery. If no analytical purpose for mobile, we use Firebase. Non mobile is we use cloud data store. Okay, so this is the decision tree, and it's very important you learn about this one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.